Looking for high-quality RC hobby components? Imagine the thrill of controlling a perfectly tuned RC model, powered by top-notch components. Welcome to the world of ePower Hobby, your one-stop shop for all things RC. ePower Hobby boasts a wide array of products, each meticulously designed for the RC hobbyist in you. From the heart-throbbing power of our BLDC motors, to the precise control of our ESCs, every item on our shelves is set to elevate your RC experience. Our motors are not just motors, they are powerhouses, engineered for performance. Compact yet capable, they deliver an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. Whether you are soaring the skies with a model plane or zipping around with a speedboat, our motors ensure you have the best performance at your fingertips. But what's a motor without a great ESC? Our ESCs, or electronic speed controllers, are the brains behind the brawn. They give you the control you need, managing your motor's speed and direction with pinpoint accuracy. With our ESCs, you are always in command. We also stock a wide range of propellers. Crafted for efficiency and durability, they cut through the air or water with minimal resistance. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned hobbyist, you'll appreciate the smooth and stable ride our propellers offer. And for those who dream of flying, our electric paraglider kits are the perfect fit. They bring the joy of flight right to your fingertips. These kits are all about the freedom of the open skies and the thrill of controlling your very own flying machine. At ePower Hobby, we understand the passion that drives RC hobbyists. We don't just sell products, we offer an experience built on high performance, durability, and the sheer joy of the RC hobby. So whether you're just starting your RC journey or you're a seasoned hobbyist looking to upgrade, ePower Hobby has got you covered. With our wide range of products, you're sure to find the perfect component to power your passion. Remember, every great RC adventure begins with quality components. And at ePower Hobby, quality is our promise. Welcome to your new RC adventure. Welcome to ePower Hobby.